the Union Weekender, begin together. Crafted from full-grain leather, ready for your journey. Elevate your escape with Velmont. Carry Wonder, travel in style. Chic travel bags for dreamers and explorers. Designed for every journey. Every journey, beautifully yours. From your first steps together to every adventure ahead. Maven, the Arden Weekender, travel beautifully, full-grain leather, cabin ready.
This bag is perfect for our voyage,
Absolutely, stylish and water-resistant.
and it fits everything we need.
The perfect companion for our trip. Every journey, beautifully yours. Chic travel bags for dreamers, explorers, and ocean souls. Crafted for your adventures.
Carry Wonder, travel in style.
Chic travel bags for dreamers, explorers, and ocean souls. Lightweight, durable, and made for your next adventure.
This street is amazing.
It is. And this bag carries everything.
It's beautiful, so soft.
Perfect for us.
The Reserve 55. Travel beyond. Crafted from waxed canvas and full-grain leather for journeys into the extraordinary.
This suitcase is perfect for our trip.
It really is. So easy to pull.
Every journey, beautifully ours.
Carry Wonder, travel in style. Chic travel bags for dreamers, explorers, and ocean souls. Designed for every journey. Journey in refined style with Zento Travel. Crafted from premium materials for efforts organization. Elevate every journey with the Zento collection.